Have you ever uploaded a video on YouTube and you waited for hours, even days, and then you checked your analytics and only to find that your videos have very few views? Maybe you have asked yourself, what I'm doing wrong? Is YouTube hiding my videos? Do I need 1,000 subscribers to watch my videos? The answer is probably not what you can get more views on YouTube even your channel is small. Welcome to Master Vision, where we share the important things, tools, tips and strategies how to grow on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube, and I'm going to show you the important things that you need to focus on YouTube when you upload your video and YouTube recommend your videos. Before you try to get more views, you need to understand something important. The first thing you need to know, views don't come from subscribers alone. People can discover your video through YouTube search, shorts, and playlists. For example, imagine you have 1,000 subscribers on your channel and you upload a video that answers a question many people searching for. If viewers click the video and they watch it and find it useful, YouTube has a reason to show that videos to more people. So don't think I have a small channel, nobody will watch my videos. Instead of how can I make the video that people actually want to watch. That change in mindset is extremely important. Before making the video, ask yourself, who is this video for? And what problem does this video solve? For example, instead of making general video called My YouTube Tips, and you could make 5 YouTube mistakes new creators. The second topic is more specific. The person who is struggling with a new YouTube channel. Search YouTube for your topic and see what videos already exist. Look at the title. Look at the questions people ask in the comment section. Then create your own useful answer. Take the idea, add your own experience. For example, explanation and personality. Your title is extremely important. Your title should clearly communicate what the viewers will get. If your title promises something that your videos does not deliver, viewers may leave quickly. That can hurt the performance of your video. So your goal is not quickly to get click. Your goal is to get the right click from people who actually want your content. Thumbnail is another important part of to actually get people to click your videos. When someone is scrolling through YouTube, they may see dozens of thumbnails. You have only a moment to make your video look interesting. The next thing is to make your thumbnail simple. Don't fill it with too many words. Use one main idea. For example, if you make a video that you're showing how to get more views on YouTube, your thumbnail could have just a few words like get more views. The thumbnail and the title should work together. Instead, make the title explain the topic and let the thumbnail create additional curiosity. And remember, you don't need expensive software to create your thumbnails. There are simple tools available that beginner can use. The most important things is not the software, it's the idea behind the thumbnail. The goal is make the video useful and easy to follow. When the viewers enjoy your video and continue watching, you have a better chance to build a strong audience. Let's talk about analytics. If you want to grow on YouTube, don't ignore your analytics. Your analytics can help you to understand what is happening with your videos, and also pay attention to audience retentions. Where are people leaving your videos? If many viewers leave the first 20 seconds, your introduction may need improvement. If viewers stay until the middle, but leave when you start repeating yourself, that is also useful information. Don't be afraid of low numbers. Use them as a feedback to you. Your analytics are not there to discourage you. They are there to teach you. And if this video helps you, leave a comment. Thanks for watching Master Vision. Keep learning, keep creating and improving. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.